Okay, so this is a video explaining how to go about completing this assignment. You have all learned about proof types from the very previous page that explained the different proof types. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure that you go back to that page. I'll provide a link in this assignment. But this is just a practice identifying proofs in other people's work. So what I would like you to do is go ahead and please find at least 2, maybe 3 different proofs in this speech provided by FDR, and it's titled Arsenal of Democracy. So all I want you to do is go ahead, open up, click the Google link and open up the Google Doc. And once you get in here, I want you to find a proof type. So read through it. Find a proof type that you can find, which I would say even this very first sentence, this is not a fireside chat on war. Click on it, highlight it. You see the plus sign, it says add a comment. Go ahead and click on add a comment and say what proof type it is by saying this is not a fireside chat on war. It's a comparison saying this is what it isn't like. So this is a comparison. And then I would like you to go ahead and just put your name just in case your Google handle is unrecognizable or anonymous or whatever. So just make sure that you put your full name so that I can give you credit for having completed the assignment. So then you just post that comment and then you can see it. Another one, it is a talk on national security because the nub of the whole purpose of your president is to keep you now and your children later and your grandchildren much later out of the last-ditch war for the preservation of American independence and all things that American independence means to you and to me and to ours. There's a lot going on in this. I would say national security is a proof type. That's a proof type of a value proof, because you're supposed to desire national security, which is a concept, it's an idea. And then you could say your president is to keep you now and your children later and your grandchildren much later. So talking about children, talking about the future, making sure that you know that this is something you desire for them. So you could say, because you can see children, obviously, then this would be a motivational proof. Preservation of American independence. Independence is a concept. It's an idea that we're supposed to desire. So again, this is a value proof. And all the things that American independence means to you and to me and to ours. So to you and to me and to ours is an example of both anaphora technically and parallelism, but I'll go ahead and label it anaphora because it repeats the word of a succession of phrases. And so it's to blank, to blank, to blank. So this is an example of anaphora. And that's it. I know I just posted probably like 4 or something like that. You don't have to post that many, but go ahead and post, like I said, somewhere around 2 to 3. Just tell me what is the proof type and then go ahead and give me your name, and that's it. And I will give you feedback on whether or not you've identified the proof type properly, or I might actually also ask you why you labeled that proof type the way that you labeled it, if I have a question on why you labeled it that way. Okay, thank you.